Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder EAS&Weather here with your Day 2 severe weather outlook. There are two slight risk areas for tomorrow. One covering north central Nebraska, southeastern South Dakota, northwestern Iowa, and southwestern Minnesota. And the second slight tomorrow covers extreme northeastern corner of Alabama, far northern Georgia, eastern Tennessee, the very far extreme southeastern tip of Kentucky, southwestern Virginia, western half of North Carolina, and northwestern South Carolina. Cities in tomorrow's slights include Raleigh, North Carolina, Charlotte, North Carolina, Raleigh, North Carolina, Greensboro, North Carolina, Durham, North Carolina, and Winston-Salem, North Carolina. And there are three marginals for tomorrow, one covering southeastern North Dakota, parts of Minnesota, parts of Iowa, parts of South Dakota. I think I mentioned southeastern North Dakota too. Parts of Nebraska, eastern Colorado, parts of Kansas, parts of the Panhandle of Oklahoma, and far northeastern New Mexico. A second marginal tomorrow covers parts of Oklahoma. And the third marginal tomorrow covers northeastern Alabama, parts of northern Georgia, parts of Tennessee, parts of Kentucky, southern West Virginia, parts of Virginia, parts of North Carolina, and parts of South Carolina. Cities in tomorrow's marginals include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Omaha, Nebraska, Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, and Lincoln, Nebraska. Going to tomorrow's tornado threat, there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow covering parts of Nebraska, southeastern South Dakota, southwestern Minnesota, and northwestern Iowa. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area tomorrow include Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Sioux City, Iowa, Grand Island, Nebraska, Kearney, Nebraska, and North Platte, Nebraska. Going to tomorrow's wind threat, there are two areas where we have 15% wind risk areas for tomorrow. One covering parts of Nebraska, southeastern South Dakota, northwestern Iowa, and southwestern Minnesota. A second 15% wind risk tomorrow covers far northeastern corner of Alabama, far northern Georgia, eastern Tennessee, extreme southeastern Kentucky, southwestern Virginia, the western half of North Carolina, and northwestern South Carolina. The 15% wind risk areas tomorrow include Charlotte, North Carolina, Raleigh, North Carolina, Greensboro, North Carolina, Durham, North Carolina, and Winston-Salem, North Carolina. And there are three areas where we have 5% wind risk areas for tomorrow. One covering parts of Minnesota, northwestern Iowa, southeastern North Dakota, parts of South Dakota, parts of Nebraska, parts of Kansas, eastern Colorado, northeastern New Mexico, and parts of the Oklahoma Panhandle. A second 5% tomorrow covers parts of Oklahoma, and the third 5% tomorrow covers parts of Alabama, parts of Georgia, parts of South Carolina, parts of North Carolina, parts of Virginia, southern West Virginia, southeastern Kentucky, and parts of Tennessee, central Tennessee, I should say. The 5% wind risk areas tomorrow include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Omaha, Nebraska, Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, and Lincoln, Nebraska. And now for tomorrow's hail threat, there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow covering parts of Nebraska, parts of southeastern South Dakota, northwestern Iowa, and southwestern Minnesota. The 15% hail risk area tomorrow includes Sioux Falls, South Dakota, North Platte, Nebraska, Norfolk, Nebraska, Brookings, South Dakota, and Mitchell, South Dakota. And the other 5% hail risk tomorrow covers northeastern Colorado, parts of Nebraska, parts of South Dakota, southeastern North Dakota, parts of Minnesota, and parts of Iowa. The 5% hail risk area tomorrow includes Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Fargo, North Dakota, Sioux City, Iowa, and Bloomington, Indiana. And so, in summary, strong to severe thunderstorms are possible Monday afternoon and evening across portions of the northern and central plains and parts of the southern Appalachians and Carolinas. Isolated severe gusts may occur over Oklahoma. So, that's your Day 2 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, whether you're in the slight or the marginal, since you never know what slight and marginal can pull off sometimes. Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I'll go over all of this again in tomorrow's Day 1 Severe Weather Outlook video. Take care.